Hi guys, welcome back to my channel Cinyunglove, and I'm in Kintamani region. Hopefully you guys enjoy my background view with the Batur mountain behind me. Today's topic is about the perfect combo bag for traveling. So I want to share my experience when I was traveling in this Bali. So while I'm traveling this trip to Bali in this December 2021, I bring two bags with me, this one and this one.
Wow.
So I bring a tote bag and also a plastic bag from a Reissue. If I want to use it for a casual time, relaxed time, I can wear this tote bag, Bao Bao bag with me. And if I want to dress up more stylish, then I can bring this Reissue with me. And both of them are a perfect combo for me for my essential things, such as a tote bag like this. I can put some snacks and also my camera pocket and water bottle and sometimes umbrella. I know this Bao Bao bag is not as big as the Neverfull or Goyard tote bag, but this is quite lightweight for me and easy to fold. So I just can fold this inside my luggage and suitcase like this, guys. Very easy, right? And this Reissue 226 in a size 28 centimeters. Perfect size for me, very useful for me. In my eyes, this is a very useful bag. I can dress up and dress down using this bag. I used to bring my mini push-up with me and my Dior wallet like this. And I also bring a long wallet with me, hand sanitizer, 2 hand sanitizer, the wet tissue, and phone, of course, my AirPods Pro, and my hair clip, and my important stuffs. I can bring them with me together using this bag. Very good. Lihat itu kameranya. So if you're new in my channel, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to give a thumbs up if you like this kind of video. And thanks for watching, guys. See you in my next video. Bye bye.
I got baby.